I can talk to a room full of people. I think the most people I've presented to at any given time is about 180, almost 200 people. Doesn't faze me. Yet you turn a camera on me and I freeze. I mean, full on rabbit in headlights freeze. And a lot of sort of standard YouTube advice is practice before you start recording. Go through it a couple of times. And that's kind of like practicing swimming on dry land. Yes, you can do the motion, but it doesn't translate to actually getting in the water. I find that the second I press record, I start to speak and my mind just goes completely blank. I can't think of anything. There's no thoughts. I can't even think about what I'm supposed to be talking about. I mean, I wish I could achieve that state in meditation. Apparently all I need to do is turn the camera at me. I should try that actually. That's a good point. Anyway, I'm getting distracted. So my theory was that it's actually the pressing record that's triggering that freeze response. And the way to get over that would be to practice pressing record and talking more often. So I decided I'll start filming my practice attempts. Well, not attempts, but practice before I actually record a take, with the view that I'm going to delete it straight away because I don't have the storage space anyway, and see if that helps desensitize the pressing record and then talking. And in some regards, I think that experiment did confirm my suspicion that the pressing record is a trigger, because I pressed record, even though it was a practice run, even though I know I was going to delete it, I froze. But I got through my practices, started to record and just kept freezing. So I think part of the mistake I made is I pressed record and then did my three practice run throughs rather than pressing record with each practice run through. That might have been a better plan, just so I got more used to that pressing record. And that's probably what I will try tomorrow. However, it actually made recording harder. I'm not entirely sure why. Maybe it was because I was more stressed to start with, coming through the practice with the camera rolling. I'm not sure. But I just don't know, to be honest. Now, I do have a sort of deeper seated issue with cameras that I've had ever since I was a child. And I suspect the pressing record is triggering that. So I'm not sure that the pressing record and talking practice is entirely going to resolve the issue. Hopefully it might make it easier. Problem is, I have no idea how to deal with that issue other than keep doing it and hope it goes away. I wish I could give you a useful takeaway from this video, but I can't. I don't know what the solution is. I'm going to keep practicing pressing record and talking just to see if I can desensitize that. Hopefully it helps. I'm going to have a think about how I can perhaps address that deeper fear of cameras from when I was a kid. I'll have to get back to you on that.